it's Jacoby. Welcome back to my channel. So this is another episode of Volleyball Hacks with Jacoby, but today's episode will be about passing. Okay, I have everything written down once again. So hack number 1, keep your platform firm. This is so important. So you don't want to be like a loose noodle and pass the ball like this. You'll get nowhere. Literally nowhere. You want to keep your platform firm and not like this, because there's not a lot of surface area for the ball to hit correctly, but if you're together like this and firm, the ball has a lot of area to bounce off your platform. Hack number 2, make sure your shoulders are down. Okay, so when you're passing, you don't want to be straight up like this, because if the ball comes to you and hits you, it's going to go straight up instead of out into the target or the setter. So you want to keep your shoulders down, pass like this, and the ball will come and hit and go to the right spot instead of straight up and like over your head. Next is to be in an athletic stance. Don't be like standing straight up or like stiff. You want to be like shoulders down, moving side to side, like in an athletic stance, you know, knees bent, you know, just be looking athletic in an athletic stance. Don't be like chilling like you're about to go to like Starbucks or something. I don't know. Next is to don't cross your feet when moving to the ball. This is extremely key, because you don't want to cross your feet when you're trying to move to the ball, whether it's to your right, your left. Hello, I was pointing to the left. To your right or to your left, or like behind you or in front of you. You don't want to cross your feet because you want to run to the ball, and you can't run quickly if you are crossing your feet. So you want to keep them open, run to the ball, and then pass instead of crossing your feet. And also once you cross your feet, it's awkward, and you have a lot more surface. You have a lot less surface area to pass, and it's just awkward, and you kind of make yourself small, and that's not what you want to do. Next, hack number 6 is to lock out your elbows. Once again, like, you don't want to be like this. You want to be locked out and firm. That kind of goes hand in hand with having a firm platform, but you know what I mean. Be locked out. And also, if your elbows don't touch, don't freak out. Like, I'm literally double jointed, so that's why that happens. Hack number 7 is to see the ball into your platform. So say this is the ball. I'm seeing it all the way into my platform. I'm watching it. So the ball's coming. I'm watching it hit the sweet spot of my platform, and that's how I know I'm gonna get a good ball. Because I don't always watch the ball, but especially in the beginning when I was learning how to pass, I definitely watched it into my platform, because you want to make sure that you're hitting it in the right spot. Hack number 8 is to get your feet to the ball first. Please. Like, move your feet, get your feet to the ball first, and then you want to pass. You don't want to like pass, like try to like reach outside your body and pass. Like, just get your feet there first, move first, and then pass. Very key, very important. Next is to don't swing your arms when the ball has pace. Oh my gosh, okay, so if someone is serving the ball hard at you, you don't want to swing your arms, because the ball already has pace and you're just putting more pace on the ball, which is not what you want to do, because you're probably going to overpass the ball, right? You want to keep it on your side of the net. So if something's coming with pace, just hold and let the ball hit you. Don't like swing your arms or just be wild with your movements. Be very simple and low-key about it. And don't move very much, because the ball is already moving and has a lot of pace, so you just want to be kind of like a wall that it rebounds off of. My next hack is to make sure that you're holding your platform. So as soon as you pass the ball, you're here. You don't want to like just bring it down immediately. Like, you want to pass, hold, because that way you know that the ball is absorbing as much as it can and bouncing off of you. So once it's off of you, hold it a little bit and then break. But you don't want to pass and break, because then that will just like put like really weird spin on the ball and will just make it's not good. Okay, so just hold your platform. Holding your platform just kind of ensures that you're in the right spot and that you're passing the ball correctly still. So it's kind of like a corrective kind of thing, but it's always just a good habit to have, is to hold your platform after you're done passing the ball. Hack a number, I don't know. Make sure that you are stopped when you're passing a ball. So whether you're playing defense or service receive or passing a free ball, you want to be stopped. So especially during service receive, like, you want to move your feet to the ball first, like kind of anticipate where it's going. You want to be stopped and then make the pass. And for defense, like, say you're transitioning to your defensive spot and you don't make it quite back all the way to your spot, just stop where you are and wait for the ball to hit you. Because when you're moving, it just, once again, it creates an unnecessary momentum for the ball, and it's harder to have control when you're kind of moving around. So it's better just to stop and then pass. Next hack is to make sure that you're holding your hands correctly. So when you're in a defensive stance and you're waiting to pass, you want your hands like kind of like out, like relaxed and down, and like maybe like some people like to hold them here like this, some people like to hold them down by their knees, but don't already be like formed into your platform, because then you can't run left, right, backwards, or front, whatever, because you're already like locked out. So you want to be like athletic and just have your hands open, and then boom, athletic, boom, stuff like that. Next, you want to angle your platform to where you want the ball to go. So essentially, like if I want the ball to go over there, I'm gonna have my platform like this. This shoulder is dropped. Notice how that creates an angle, and this shoulder is straight, right? And it's gonna go that way because my platform is angled that way. If I wanted to go straight, I'll just stay down and straight. It's all about your angles. Like angling your platform like will really help you with accuracy. Next, you don't want to leave the ground when you're passing. So for example, when you're playing defense, once again, defense, free ball, or serve receive, you want to keep your feet on the ground. You don't want to jump up when you're passing the ball because once again, that just creates unnecessary momentum and you have less control that way. So you want to make sure you stay grounded, stay on the ground all the way through your pass. You don't want to jump when you pass. It just lessens your control. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.